Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, my name is Fatma.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, my name is Maliha.
Welcome to our channel.
Friends, today we are going to show you the unity between Germany and
Pakistan. You can see they also hang clothes outside their balcony just like Pakistanis.
Pakistani ladies and men, don't be scared. Germany people also hang their clothes.
You can see, but joke aside, they are disciplined people. They have cleaned their roads and everything they keep clean. You can see that they have parked the cars so greatly, like in line by line. It looks like that there are toy cars, but see the beautiful colors of them. The road is really clean and everything you can see. See this cute yellow car, I like it a lot.
Friends, while watching this video, you will not see a single trash on the road of German people because they keep their road clean. We should also follow their discipline.
And also love the beauty of the Germany. Friends, while watching this video, you will see also some beautiful colored cars. Not some, they are means normal in their country, but in our they are called rare. But you will see in the whole video there will be yellow, blue, orange and green and every color like the one before the yellow, and now see orange, this cute color, and you will also see blue and green and more different colors.
Friends, me and my sister fighted on these cars, that this car is mine, that car is yours.
Friends, if you like this video,
don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Love you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye.